Hello viewers, my name is Mesulam.
And my name is Belisa.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about
Gender identity development.
we will be stressing on the two key main important points, which is gender identity development and factors influencing gender identity development. Gender identity development. A gender identity development is a complex and multifaceted process influenced by various stages and factors throughout an individual's life. It occurs in several distinct stages: the early childhood, middle childhood, adolescence, and the adulthood. Factors influencing gender identity developments are biological, social, cultural, and psychological. The early childhood, 0 to 5 years. The development of gender identity in early childhood is a complex process influenced by various factors, including biological, social, and environmental elements. During the ages of 0 to 5, children begin to form their understanding of gender, which typically unfolds in several key stages: the awareness of gender, 0 to 2 years, labeling of gender, 2 to 3 years, exploration of gender roles, 3 to 4 years, consolidation of gender identity, which is 4 to 5 years. The middle childhood is 6 to 12 years. Conformity to social gender norms. During middle childhood, children become increasingly aware of societal expectations and norms related to gender. They often internalize these norms, which can influence their behaviors, interests, and self-perception. Children may feel pressure to conform to traditional gender roles, leading to more pronounced distinctions in interests and activities. For example, boys may gravitate towards sports and competitive games, while girls may engage in cooperative play and nurturing activities. The peer influence and development of gender roles. Peer relationships become more significant during this stage, and children often seek acceptance from their peers. This can lead to a reinforcement of gender norms, and children may feel compelled to align their behaviors and interests with those of their same gender peers. The adolescents, 13 to 18 years. Number one, intensified exploration of gender identity. Adolescence is a critical period for exploring and affirming gender identity. Teenagers may begin to question their gender identity more deeply, exploring concepts of masculinity, femininity, and non-binary identities. This exploration can influence a variety of factors, including exposure to gender identities through media, social movements, and peer discussions. Impact of puberty and social pressures. Puberty brings about a significant physical and emotional changes that can impact how adolescents perceive their gender identity. Changes in body image, sexual orientation, and social dynamics can create confusion or affirmation regarding their gender identity. Social pressures, including expectations from peers, family, and society, can intensify feelings to an anxiety for those questioning their gender identity. Adolescents may feel compelled to conform to societal norms or may struggle with acceptance if their gender identity does not align with these norms. The adulthood ongoing development and affirmation of gender identity. In adulthood, individuals continue to develop and affirm their gender identity. This process can involve navigating societal expectation, personal relationships, and professional environments. Adults may engage in self-reflection and exploration, leading to a deeper understanding of their gender identity and how it fits into their lives. This may include changes in gender expression, name change, or transitioning. Therefore, the journey of gender identity development spans from early childhood through adulthood, which, with its stages presenting unique challenges and opportunities for exploration and affirmation. Understanding the stages is essential for fostering supportive environments that can promote acceptance and well-being for individuals. By recognizing the complexity of gender identity, society can work towards greater inclusivity and understanding. Thank you.
Factors influencing gender identity development. The development of gender identity is a complex process influenced by a combination of biological, social, psychological, and cultural factors. Each of these elements plays an important role in shaping how individuals understand and express their gender. Biological factors. Number one, genetic influences. Research suggests that genetics play a role in gender identity development of brain structures associated with gender identity, although this area of study is still growing. Genetic tendencies can affect personality traits and behaviors that align with societal gender norms, potentially influencing how individuals identify and express their gender. Number two, hormonal influences. Hormones, mostly during parental development, can significantly impact gender identity. During puberty, hormonal changes can also affect body image and self-perception, which can influence how individuals experience and express their gender identity. Social factors. Number one, role of family. Families play an important role in shaping a child's understanding of gender. From a young age, children observe and imitate their parents' behaviors, attitudes, and expectations regarding gender roles. Supportive families that encourage open discussions about gender and allow for exploration can foster a healthy development of gender identity. Families that enforce rigid gender norms may limit a child's ability to express their true identity. Number two, cultural influences. Culture significantly impacts how gender is perceived and expressed. Different cultures have varying norms and expectations regarding gender roles, which can shape an individual's understanding of their gender identity. Number three, media influences. Media representations of gender can shape societal norms and individuals' perceptions of gender identity. Exposure to diverse representations in televisions, film, literature, and social media can help individuals understand and uphold their identities. Psychological factors. Number one, self-perception. An individual's self-perception plays a critical role in their gender identity development. How one views oneself in relation to societal gender norms can influence their gender identity and expression. Positive self-perception and acceptance of one's gender identity are to better health outcomes, while negative self-perception can lead to issues such as anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem. Number two, mental health. Mental health is closely tied to the experience of gender identity. Individuals who experience discrimination, stigma, or lack of support for their gender identity may experience higher rates of mental health challenges. Access to mental health resources that affirm one's gender identity can be crucial for well-being. Supportive therapy and counseling can help individuals navigate their feelings and experiences related to gender. Cultural factors. Number one, diverse cultural perspectives. Different cultures have unique understanding of gender identity that can vary significantly from Western norms. Number two, impact of cultural norms. Cultural norms can either support or challenge an individual's gender identity. In cultures with rigid gender roles, individuals may face significant pressure to conform, leading to internal conflict or distress. Conversely, cultures that embrace diverse gender identity can foster environments of acceptance and affirmation, promoting mental health and well-being for individuals of all gender identities. To conclude, the development of gender identity is influenced by a complex interplay of biological, social, psychological, and cultural factors. Understanding these influences is essential for fostering an inclusive environment that supports individuals in their journey, self-discovery, and affirmation. By recognizing the diversity of gender experiences across different contexts, society can work towards greater acceptance and understanding of all gender identities. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any comments, let me know in the comment section below.